Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to monitor DKIM with Google Postmaster Tools. So step number 1, add your sending domain to Postmaster Tools. Sign in to Postmaster Tools and in the bottom right, click Add, and in the Getting Started window, enter the domain used to authenticate outgoing emails with SPF or DKIM or both. Click Next to open the Verify Your Domain window. Step number 2, verify your sending domains. So in the Verify Your Domain window, copy the text in the TXT record field. Log into your domain provider and add the copied text to your domain's DNS records. Return to the Verify Your Domain window and click Verify. Step number 3, give other access to your Postmaster Tool dashboard. So from the Manager the Domains page, to the right of the domain name, click More, then Manage. On the bottom right, click Add, and in the window, enter the Google email address of the person you're adding to the domain. And that's it. Thanks for watching.